How to use TikTok Lite tutorial. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you guys how you will be able to use TikTok Lite and what's the difference between TikTok Lite and the other official TikTok app. Now, as you can see, based on what we're seeing right now, based on our activity, there isn't much difference between the TikTok Lite and the actual TikTok app. And as you can see here, I could move around, check my profile, my inbox, my discovery here. I could easily create a content by simply clicking on the plus, which will allow me to create videos using TikTok Lite. And basically, almost all the features are present. I could heart a post over here. I could add some comments, and I could also share it just like that. Although the main thing or the difference that I observe is that when I click on the comment button, the entire screen will go up just like what is happening here, instead of being able to see the comment section just below. So that's basically it, guys. It's the same thing with TikTok. There is a difference on the features. So that's basically it. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.